Yo, what's up guys? How's everybody doing today? So, the purpose of this video is for me to finish off prepping the rbeast for the drift event. If you're watching this video, I'm either drifting as we speak or I'll be drifting the next day. So here's a clip of me trying to change out my O-ring for my fuel pump and see how that goes. That was a pain in the ass, so I'll insert that clip now. Over at FTP for a minute, saying what up to Jonathan. Decided while he's doing something for me, I was gonna replace my O-ring, because whenever I drift, this leaks, and this is why. That's busted. So I'm gonna be replacing this trash with this. Always go OEM Nissan if you can with certain things, guys. So I have a new one. So this one should hopefully not leak. If it leaks, then I'm gonna be pissed. Here's my fuel pump. That's what I'm doing right now. Nothing simple. Maybe I'll just throw this into whatever video I end up making next. But that's all for this part. Alright, as you can see, I got the new O-ring installed. Looks good. Just gonna grab that fuel pump. Just stick her back in there. I really can't do this with one hand, guys. I'm sorry. Hold up. Alright, it's installed. It's dirty as hell. I'm gonna tighten up these bolts. You know, I'll go around these small little 8 mils. And then I'm gonna hook the fuel lines back up, and then I'll just probably wipe that down with something real fast. Alright, status update. This fuel line exploded. RIP. Bullshit. Spilt fuel all over the goddamn place. So now I gotta freaking get in there and replace it. God damn. Alright, so I'm gonna replace this old crappy fuel line with this nice steel braided line, and since I'm doing one, I might as well do the other one. Just gotta get down in there and attach it back to that line. That's the hard line. And then run it up top. So I'm gonna get back to trying to finish this crap up now. It's always damn something. Alright guys, no, it looks like poop back here, but I don't worry about none of that. The new lines are installed. No leaks. Start it up real fast. Fuel pressure is at 50 psi. Like I said, no leaks. So go ahead and throw the wheel back on now. Alright guys, that's it. She's all fixed. There's my mess. Now I just gotta go and finish doing whatever else I need to do. I know what to do. I just gotta get on and do it. So that'll be for another part of the video. Okay, so that was that headache. So what I have left to do is pull off the rear diffuser, and I think I also want to test fit my new work wheels just to see how they may fit on the car. I think that'd be pretty cool. And last but not least, I'm going to be taking back off my D-Max hood. I love the way the hood looks, but it's just not fitting properly. It's fitting like crap right now, and I don't want to fight with it anymore. So I'm going to be taking that off and going to get my OEM hood. Thank God I was smart and I kept it, because you never know what you're going to get when you get fiberglass stuff. So that's going to be the final thing I'm going to do. I do have another hood coming on the way, but it's coming from Japan and it's like 4 months out, so it's shitty, I know, but these things happen. When you pay a lot of money for a product, you want your product to fit well, and I'm not gonna be having it fit like just trash on my car. So it is what it is. It'll set me back, but it's all good. So let me go ahead and pull the car out now. Now, if you remember how the hood looked when I first got it, there was a bunch of sanding marks all over it. I took it and I buffed it out, so it looks way better than what it did before. But the problem I'm having is the fitment. Like, it's not sitting anywhere near flush with the fenders. I don't have any spacers in there, any risers or anything. Like, I mean, I can fit, you know, 2 fingers in there. Shouldn't be able to do that. I don't know why it's doing that. So it's just not fitting that great, guys. So I'm gonna send it back. So I'll be pulling that off, unfortunately. But it looks so good, but RIP to that D-Max hood. As I also said before, I'm going to be taking off my Rocket Bunny rear diffuser, because I don't drift with that on, and I'll be putting my rear valances back on. But I think what I'm going to do first is I'm test fitting those goddamn wheels. Let's get it. Here are the works. I'm going to put the rear on, 18 by 10.5, -24. I'm going to put one of the front ones on, 18 by 9.5, -10. Just give me an idea of how they're going to sit on the car. Hopefully they sit good, because if they don't, I'm not buying any more damn wide body for this thing. So I'm gonna get the jack, get the wheels off, pull these out of the boxes, and next clip you see will them sitting on there some kind of way, I guess. I'll figure it out, so let me get to it. Alright guys, I got the new wheels on. I don't know if y'all are ready for it. All I can say is, I'm sorry if it's windy out, but there it is. I was worried about the fitment on the front, but as you can see, that's pretty much spot on. I can basically still run 0 degrees of camber up front and clear. That's what I was worried about. But the problem is the rear. Looks like I'm definitely gonna have to camber that in a little bit to get that to fit underneath that fender. These wheels are hitting on these dual calipers back here just slightly, so I have like a small, like 10 mil spacer in there to get them to clear. But I mean, it's not crazy, but it's gonna make me run a little bit more negative camber than I would like to run. But overall, guys, what do you think? These are my goddamn dream wheels, and this is why. I could just look at this all damn day. But alright, time to take them back off. Just step back and look at it a little bit more. This car is gonna be monster when I get done with it, guys. You just wait and see. Alright, taking them back off now. Alright, car's back on the ground, wheels are back on it, drift wheels. Next step, I'm going to be pulling off this Rocket Bunny diffuser. It's really easy, just unscrew it from the side and then unscrew these mounting points up here. And I'm going to be installing my rear balances next. Pretty much can't show you guys me taking it off. I mean, I could mount the camera on the ground, but it doesn't really matter. So next clip you'll see is these installed onto there. Here's the rear diffuser. And here's the S13 with the rear balances on it. Alright, so last thing I have to do is take the hood back off and put it back in the box. And then the car should be just about ready to go. Hood is back off again. I know you guys probably think I like riding around with no hood, but I really don't. But I do like riding around with no front bumper though. Back in the box. And once I hear what D-Max USA wants to do, figure out how to get it back out of here. But RIP to my D-Max head, guys. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. I'm going to go grab my OEM hood and throw it on there. There's really no point in showing you guys that. So the next time you guys see this car, it will have the OEM hood back on it. That's all good. The car is ready to go drift, so hopefully everything goes well. Comment down below, let me guys know what you think about those wheels. Alright guys, peace.